Want to fix NFL Sunday Ticket video lag? First, you want to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to strong Wi-Fi or high-speed mobile data. If the video is still lagging, you want to restart your router or switch to a different network. If that doesn't work, then you want to lower the stream quality. For that, open the Sunday Ticket app or head over to the Sunday Ticket website. Then start a game, tap the settings gear icon and select medium or low quality to reduce buffering. Next, you want to close all the background apps running on your device. For that, open the app switcher and swipe all of these applications off of your screen. If you're using a streaming device or smart TV, restart the device and make sure both the app and system software are updated to the latest version. Remember, video lag is usually caused by weak connection or outdated app. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi can also improve stability. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.